Okay, so we are live now. Okay. So hey everyone, welcome to Unacademy ICSE and ISCE YouTube channel. So today we are going to do the most important questions which are expected for your final exams for class 9. Okay, so this is going to be a very important session for all of you, because along with questions we are not just going to discuss the questions, but along with questions we are also going to discuss the concept behind that. Okay, so I hope that many students join us on this particular platform. So जल्दी से सेशन को शेयर कर दो अपने दोस्तों के साथ, ताकि मैक्सिमम बच्चे हमें इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे ज्वाइन कर सके. ओके, बिकॉज दिस सेशन इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑल द क्लास 9 स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, so without any delay, let me give you my introduction. So this is Manisha, your class 9 chemistry educator, and these are my credentials, my dear students. So you can see I have done my graduation and diploma. I'm a gold medalist in both, and I am a university as well as state topper. Okay, so you can join me on Telegram as well. This is the link of my Telegram channel, https t.me Manisha ICSE 10 MKIC 10. Okay, so you can join me on this particular channel where you can get the class notes and homework of the session on YouTube in the PDF format. Also, this is the official Telegram channel of Unacademy, which you can join for all the updates, latest news and notifications. Okay, so फटाफट से channels को join कर लो. The link of the channel is given in the description box. You can go over there, click on the link and join the channel. So if you want to stay connected with me on Unacademy app also, so you can join the free special classes which are absolutely for free. करना क्या है आपको, बस you have to download the Unacademy app, follow the instructions and then use my code Manisha Live to access all the live classes just for free. Okay, your all the live classes will get unlocked using this code and you can attend them for free. So what are the benefits of having your free special classes? Like you can have real-time interaction using chat and emojis. You can ask questions using the question tab. You can have live poll options for quiz. You can watch the poll leaderboards and you can compete with your friends. Okay? So what is the special class timetable? So for 20, today is 24th, no? Yeah, today is 24th. So 25th ko we will have a one shot revision on atmospheric pollution. So generally for class 9 my special class starts at 5:15 p.m. Okay, so all of you can join this class at 5:15 p.m. and yesterday we had a poll war on water, and I can tell you these classes are so amazing that you will fall in love with the classes. Yeah, the special classes are so amazing. So just give it a try. Download the Unacademy app and follow the special classes. Okay, and you can judge yourself like how you are feeling in the special class. Okay, and do not forget to use my code, otherwise your classes will not be unlocked. Okay, Manisha Live is the code that you have to use. On 28th, we will have a poll war on atmospheric pollution. These poll wars are so amazing. Students answer the questions and you can also see the leaderboard. Okay, so it will give you immense pleasure to see your name at the top of the leaderboard. Yes or no? So please give it a try. And how can you do that? You have to just download the Unacademy app. Use my code Manisha Live. All of you know my name. I hope so. If you don't know, let me tell you. This is Manisha Kumari, and you search me on Unacademy app, follow me and you can watch all my special classes. Okay, so if you like to have a more personalized experience, you can certainly go for Unacademy subscription. So Unacademy subscription से क्या होगा? So you will get so many things with Unacademy subscription. Like you can learn live from the comfort of your home. You can have unlimited access to all the courses. Your top educators of India are taking the classes. Regular doubt solving sessions, answer writing practice, syllabus coverage, mentorship and guidance. So many things are there. Just imagine कौन देता है भाई, single subscription we are getting so many things. Yeah, so with Unacademy subscription you are getting so much. And for if you take the subscription for class 9, you get additional subscription of 10, 11 and 12 also for free. Huh? So here you are getting this for free. Okay, and we have subscription starting from 6 months to 48 months. We have different periods of time के लिए subscription है. You can take for any period of time, but as per my suggestion you should take at least for 12 months, because that will benefit you the best. Okay, and you can use my code Manisha Live. Okay, Manisha Live you can use, which will give you 10% discount. Okay, so you can use this code and you can avail the plus classes. Also, there is a mega offer ongoing that if you buy the subscription for 12 months or more, you get free 2 months extension. So that is an amazing thing over here. So please try it and I am sure you're going to love it. Okay. And if you're not sure about taking the subscription, you can just download the app, attend the special classes till you are sure. And once you are sure of it, just go for it. Okay. And I'm sure you will not repent your decision. Okay. So should we start the class now? Everyone ready? If anyone is there in the class, then okay. So, okay. Hello Vishal, welcome to the session. So let's start with the class. Okay. So what is the first question? You have to write the reaction of steam with red hot iron. Okay. So I have taken here question from all the chapters, that is your study of gas law, study of first element hydrogen, the atomic structure and chemical bonding, atmospheric pollution, periodic table. Okay. So every chapter I have taken the questions. I have tried to take almost all important questions from each chapter. Okay. So this session is going to be very interesting as well as very useful for you at this moment of time when you are having your exams. So let's have a first question. This is our first question and let's all try to answer this question. So everyone please try to answer it. What is the correct answer over here? Okay. What can you see the correct answer? What happens when you red hot iron, okay, not red hot iron, very sorry. Red hot coke is reacted with steam. Okay, so what happens over here? Let me tell you. This is the first step of Bosch process. Yeah, this is the first step of Bosch process. Clear? So what happens here? Okay, hello Pragya, welcome to the session. I hope it is Pragya only. Yeah, that is the correct answer for steam reaction with red hot iron. That your iron will react with steam to produce your ferric oxide and hydrogen gas. Very good Pragya. Yes. So very good. That is a reversible reaction. Yeah. So it will be Fe3O4. So that if I tell you the coke over here, so this is the first step of your Bosch process. And in Bosch process, what happen if you take red hot coke and if you react it with steam at 1000 degrees Celsius, okay, your carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas is formed, which is known as water gas. And if you take iron, okay, if you take iron, so what happens? Red hot iron is reacted with steam at, let's say, 700 degrees Celsius or 800 degrees Celsius to give your ferric oxide Fe3O4 and your hydrogen gas. You can again reduce this ferric oxide by using this water gas to give your iron once again. Okay, so this is known as your Lane's reaction, everyone. This reaction name is not given in your book, but this is named as Lane's reaction, and this reaction is your vivification. Okay, vivification. So you can reverse back the reaction. How can you do that? By using the water gas, that is, you can use your carbon monoxide also, or you can use your hydrogen also. Both are very good reducing agent, and you can reduce back the ferric oxide to give back your iron. Clear? So this reaction is known as Lane's reaction and this one is known as vivification reaction. Clear? So in both the cases you can see I have written the reaction when it is your iron and when it is your coke. Okay. So this reaction is with coke and this reaction is with your red hot iron at 700 to 800 degrees Celsius. Clear? Okay. So I hope it is clear to everyone. So here, yeah. So yeah, Fe3O4 is formed. So let's go to our next question. Which among the following properties of hydrogen is not same as that of alkali metals? Okay. Out of the given properties, which is not same? Electronic configuration, formation of anions, formation of neutral oxides on reaction with oxygen for both B and C. Which one of the following is not same as that of alkali metals? Please try to answer this question, everyone. Very good, Pragya, but that is a correct answer, but one more correct answer is there. Please try to observe the correct answer for the given options over here, okay? Which property is not same as that of your alkali metals? Clear? Not B is not the correct option over here. Formation of ions is not the same as alkali metals, but one more property is there. Okay? So what is the correct answer over here? Please try to answer it, everyone. Okay? Sure. So let me give you the answer. So your property of hydrogen which is not similar to that of your alkali metal is your formation of ions and formation of neutral oxides on reaction with oxygen. So your hydrogen will form a neutral oxide upon reacting with oxygen, which is your water. But when your alkali metals react with oxygen to form their respective oxide, that is not neutral, that is basic. Yes, all of you must know this, that your metallic oxides are basic in nature. So the correct answer will be your option number D. Both B and C are the properties of hydrogen which is not similar to that of your alkali metals. Clear, everyone? Is it clear? Please let me know once. Yes? Chalo. Now let's try to answer our next question. I hope this all questions are means understood. Everyone, please let me know once. Is it clear? Pragya, Vishal, please let me know. Clear? Okay. So I hope it is clear to everyone. Sure. So let's have this question. What happens when metals react with cold water? What will happen when your metal will react with cold water, everyone? Captain's music, Vishal, everyone please try to answer this question. What will happen when your metal will react with your cold water? Yes? Okay. So let me give you the answer over here. So whenever your metal reacts with cold water, like for example sodium, if it reacts with your cold water, it produces sodium hydroxide and your hydrogen gas. Yes or no? So sodium hydroxide is produced, which is an alkali, and your hydrogen gas is produced. So in this case, option number A is also correct. Option number B is also correct. So correct answer is option number D, which tells us both A and B are produced when your metal reacts with cold water. Clear? So your reaction of metals with cold water produces alkali and hydrogen gas. In the reactivity series, you can see the three metals that are reacting with your cold water are sodium, potassium and calcium. All of these produces your alkali only. Yes or no? All of this produces your alkali only along with the production of hydrogen gas. So option number D is the correct answer. Clear? And everyone keep liking the session, and if you have not subscribed the channels, please subscribe to the channel. Okay? Okay, Vishal, very good. Let's try to answer this question. Pollutants such as nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and sulfur trioxide dissolve in the moisture of air are the cause of dash acid rain, smog, global warming, greenhouse effect. What happens when these pollutants get dissolved in the moisture of air, and what are the things that they cause over here? So please try to answer it. what is caused over here? Okay. So try to answer it, everyone. Okay. So when these pollutants will dissolve in the moisture of air, they will cause your soot laden fog. Okay. They will cause your dark, thick dust and soot laden fog. Okay. And this is forming your smog. Clear? So smog is a pollutant which is a combination of your oxides of nitrogen and sulfur and your this forms a dark, thick dust and soot laden fog and is known as your smog. Clear? Is it clear? So this is your smog. Moisture of air में जो dissolve होके it will form smog. And acid rain is formed when your nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide comes in contact with the rainwater. Okay, when it comes in contact with the rainwater, they will form this acid rain. Clear, everyone? So I hope it is clear to everyone and no doubt is there. Let's go to our next question. Which among the following metals on reaction with nitric acid does yield hydrogen gas? Okay, magnesium, manganese, sodium, both A and B. So all of you please try to answer this question. What is the correct answer to this question? Tell me fast. Okay. So let me tell you, all of you know this, that your metal plus acid gives what? Your salt and hydrogen gas. This is the common method of preparing your hydrogen gas, yes or no? Now, nitric acid does not give this reaction. Yes or no? Nitric acid does not give this reaction because all of you know this, that your nitric acid is a very strong oxidizing agent. So, it will not give this reaction. But we saw that your nitric acid will react with your magnesium to give magnesium nitrate and your hydrogen gas. When your nitric acid is very dilute, like 1% of nitric acid is present in 99% of water. And again, nitric acid will also react with your manganese to produce manganese nitrate and your hydrogen gas. That means your nitric acid is reacting with both of these metals A and B to produce your hydrogen gas. Clear? So this I have taught you already in the general preparations of your hydrogen gas and I hope it is clear to everyone. Yes? So till now we have done 4 very important questions from each chapter. One is maximum are from your hydrogen chapter and one was from your atmospheric pollution. Clear? So I hope it is clear to everyone and no doubt is there. Yes or no? Let's try to answer more questions. Which of the following combination of gases form the water gas? Okay, hydrogen and carbon dioxide, water and carbon monoxide, hydrogen and carbon monoxide, ammonia and hydrogen. So which of the following will form a water gas? What is the combination of your water gas? Please try to answer, everyone. What is the correct answer over here? Okay. So try to answer it. Okay. All of you please try to answer it. Chalo. So let me give you the answer for this. This is your hydrogen and carbon monoxide. I already told you your red hot carbon reacts with steam at 1000 degrees Celsius to produce your carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas. This combination is known as only water gas. Clear? So hydrogen and carbon monoxide is the correct answer over here. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Next is the reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously is known as, very easy, redox reaction, double decomposition reaction, combination reaction, displacement reaction. This is from your changes and reaction chapter. So very easy question, I suppose, and you must be all able to answer this question. Tell me fast. Okay. So let's try to answer this. This is your redox reaction. For example, copper oxide plus hydrogen produces copper and water. So here your copper is getting reduced. Reduction of copper is taking place and hydrogen is getting oxidized. So both simultaneous reduction and oxidation is taking place. So this is your redox reaction. Clear? Name the gas evolved in the following reaction. When hydrogen is passed through boiling sulfur, which gas is released? Let me give you the option for this. Hydrogen gas. Option B, sulfur dioxide gas. Option C, sulfur trioxide gas. Option D, hydrogen sulfide gas. So which gas is evolved when your hydrogen is passed through boiling sulfur, everyone? Please try to answer this question. All of you. What is the correct answer to this question? When hydrogen is passed through boiling sulfur, which gas is produced? Let me give you a hint for this. The gas will have a smell similar to that of your rotten eggs. सड़े हुए अंडे की तरह उस गैस का स्मेल होगा. Which gas is that? Everyone please try to answer it. Yeah? Okay. So yes, of course, Vishal, absolutely correct. It is your option number D. So correct answer is your hydrogen sulfide. Okay. When your hydrogen is passed through boiling sulfur, your hydrogen sulfide gas is formed over here. Clear? Now, when sodium nitrate is heated, which gas is evolved? Okay, these all questions are very important. And please try to answer. These are all your observation based questions, and these have been taken from the practical part where your experiments are there. So when sodium nitrate is heated, which gas is evolved? Yes, everyone, please try to answer it. So this is your sodium nitrate. When you heat it strongly, it gets decomposed to give you sodium nitrite and your oxygen gas. Okay, so in this case your oxygen gas is produced. And zinc carbonate ka heating se what we get? So when you heat your zinc carbonate very strongly, so what happens? It will get thermally decomposed to give zinc oxide and carbon dioxide. That means in this case you are getting your carbon dioxide gas. Okay, carbon dioxide gas you are getting. Clear, everyone? Okay, so let me show you. So I have written here also. Just give me a moment, everyone. Oh, so I'm back here. So when your hydrogen is passed through boiling sulfur, your hydrogen sulfide is produced, and this gas is very foul smelling. That means it will have a smell similar to that of your rotten egg. सड़े हुए अंडे की तरह स्मेल आता है, बहुत गंदा स्मेल होता है. And you can experience this smell near a heap of decaying organic vegetation and all. Okay, जहाँ भी सड़ता गलता चीज रहेगा या sewage का पानी आता रहेगा, there also you can find this gas, that is your hydrogen sulfide. Clear? Now sodium nitrate, as you all know, sodium nitrate does not decomposes to give your nitrogen dioxide gas. Okay, these are all your practical questions means for questions taken from the experiment. So please try to answer this because these type of questions are very common and can be asked in your exam as well. Okay, so it will get decomposed to produce sodium nitrite and your oxygen gas, and again decomposition of your zinc carbonate which contains your carbonate ion will give you carbon dioxide gas and zinc oxide. Clear? So these are the three different gases that you are uh, okay, ma'am, I was just watching your video. Ma'am, tomorrow is my chemistry exam, so please tell me the strategy. Nishchay, the strategy is very simple. First, you have to attempt those questions which about which you are very much confident. Okay, like your optional questions. Okay, many if you must be having like 5 to 6 questions as optional. So options रहेंगे तो you will get a better idea which will be the correct answer. So always try to attempt those questions जो आपको एकदम श्योरिटी से एकदम आता ही आता है. ठीक है. So after you have attempted those question, after that attempt those questions जिसमें आप थोड़ा 70-30 वाला रेशियो 30% थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो 70% आता है. Okay, and at last touch those questions which means about which you are not 100% sure, like 50-50 है 40-50 40-60 है like that. Okay, but the thing is that chemistry में अच्छा करने के लिए you need to know the concepts also. Many people say this that you have to mug up everything. Not, that is not the case over here. Okay, so for your tomorrow's exam, all the very best. Only the strategy that you have to follow over here, focus on which questions you know the best, attempt those questions first, and after that you attempt those questions which you know little bit less than, then at last you attempt those questions about which you are not very sure about. Okay, so ma'am, my exam will be of 40 marks. So ma'am, if a question is of 4 to 5 marks, then how many lines are sufficient? निश्चय, like if you have a means 4 to 5 marks का question तो एक नहीं होगा, maximum you will have like a 3 marks question. Okay, 4 to 5 marks का question नहीं होगा. As you have seen the sample papers also, 3 marks question is maximum. So if the question is of like 2 to 3 marks, in that case you have to only, in any case, be it of question 2 to 3 marks or 1 marks question, you always write to the point question. ठीक है. For example, in 3 marks question, if it is asked the merits of Mendeleev's periodic table, ठीक है, merits क्या क्या है Mendeleev periodic table के, so in that you always write the keywords like prediction of new elements, your noble gas का position मिला, correction of atomic masses, all these points you write. Only thing is that you have to just take 1 to 2 lines to elaborate those points, not more than that. Okay, so yes, you can, means like 3 marks का question है, so you write 3 points, 1 marks each. Okay, and always write the most important points. Always try to elaborate those points by 1 to 2 lines by giving the examples. Okay, that strategy means that type of answer writing practice is very often liked by the examiners. Like examiners know, yes, the student knows something, बच्चे को आता है, he knows about everything. Okay, so always try to explain your answers with the help of examples. और ऐसा नहीं कि एग्जाम्पल्स दे के लंबा चौड़ा लाइन लिख दिया. No, your answers should be in such a way that keywords you are using, along with that you are giving examples, so that अगर मैं भी उस चीज को पढ़ूं और मुझे कुछ भी नहीं पता है मेंडलीव के पीरियोडिक टेबल के मेरिट के बारे में, तो मुझे आपके आंसर को पढ़ के पता चल जाना चाहिए कि हाँ, अच्छा मेंडलीव ने ये पीरियोडिक टेबल दिया था, इसकी ये मेरिट्स थी. ओके, okay, so you can go in that way. Always try to write the points. Okay, elaboration you do with the help of examples, that will be more than enough. Okay, so once again, all the very best. And if my videos are helping you in any way for your preparations of exam, then do share these classes and like the session also. Okay, okay Nishchay, chalo. So yeah, okay, if you have any doubt Nishchay in any of the topic, you can ask me in the class. Okay, so let's try to answer more questions. Now, what is the valency of the underlined element in the following compounds? Okay, what is the valency? Okay Nishchay, thank you so much. Chalo, very good. So what is the valency of the underlined element in the following compounds? Try to answer this question. In calcium chloride, what is the valency of calcium, everyone? Yes, very simple. मान लो कि you don't know about anything about valencies of these elements. Okay, write the cations and anions separately. Then write the numbers, like if chlorine has 2, then you write that number in beneath your calcium. Calcium के नीचे वो नंबर लिखो. कैल्शियम के आगे कोई नंबर नहीं, दैट मीन्स यू टेक 1 और उस 1 को क्लोरीन के नीचे रख दो. ओके, या very good Nisha, it's 2, very good. And you can see like calcium has a valency of +2. Yeah, so calcium has a valency of +2. Similarly CCl4 है सिंपल, कार्बन है, क्लोरीन है. कार्बन का जो क्लोरीन के आगे नंबर है उसको कार्बन के नीचे लिखो, जो कार्बन के आगे नंबर है उसको क्लोरीन के नीचे लिखो. एंड यू कैन सी कार्बन हैज अ वैलेंसी ऑफ 4, इसकी वैलेंसी है 4. Okay, very simple is that. Now in these type of questions it is very much means becomes difficult when your cation and anion have similar valencies. Okay, so in that type of questions you must be knowing at least the valency of one particular means your ion, either your cation or either anion. So in this case I know the valency of your sulfate. Sulfate has a valency of 2, and if no numbers are written your beneath copper or sulfate ion, that means your copper also has a valency of 2 over here. जब similar valencies होते हैं then only we don't write the valencies or don't write the number. Then in this case your copper has a valency of +2. This is your cupric sulfate. Okay, clear everyone? So you need to know the valencies also. Now this is your sodium meta-aluminate. You can see that your aluminate ion has your valency as 1. Okay, so this is your valency of AlO2, that is aluminate ion. Now ferrous nitrate is there. So if you can see Fe is there and your nitrate ion is there. Fe has a valency of like 2. Nitrate has a valency of 1. I told you write the numbers just opposite to each other. So क्या मिल रहा है हमको यहाँ पे? Nitrate की valency है -1. Very simple. Okay. So in this way you can know the valencies, but the problem will be there when you have no numbers written. ठीक है, कोई नंबर लिखा हुआ नहीं होगा. Then in that case either anion का valency और cation का valency you must know. Clear? चलो. So let's try to answer this question. Which gas will turn your Nessler's reagent brown in color? Okay, which gas will turn your Nessler's reagent brown in color? Is it chlorine, carbon monoxide, ammonia or nitrogen dioxide? Please try to answer it everyone. Okay. Okay, Vishal is giving the answer, but he has given 2 answers. So the second one is correct, Vishal, that is option number C is correct. Yeah, option number C is correct. Of course, ammonia is the gas. If you pass ammonia gas through Nessler's reagent, the color of Nessler's reagent will turn to brown color. Okay. So basically your ammonia gas will turn to Nessler's reagent brown. And what is Nessler's reagent? This is your Nessler's reagent. K2HgI4. Okay. This is your potassium mercuric iodide. Okay, or you can call it potassium tetraiodomercuric. Okay, this is also the name of this Nessler's reagent. Now Nessler's reagent is used to detect your ammonia gas or ammonium ion, you can say, and it is a pale solution which will become darker yellow when you put some amount of ammonia to it, and if you add more ammonia to it, it will form a brown precipitate also. So hence ammonia gas is the one which will turn your Nessler's reagent to brown color. Clear? These are all experimental questions. So all of you must know these questions and answers because observation based questions are very common in your exam. Okay. So K2HgI4 is the correct answer over here. Potassium tetraiodomercuric, or you can say potassium mercuric iodide. Clear? Is it clear everyone? Please let me know. Okay. So once again, potassium tetraiodmercurate was the Nessler's reagent which is used to detect ammonia. Now, sulfur dioxide may be recognized by its characteristic pungent smell of burning sulfur, ability to turn dichromatic paper green, ability to decolorize acidified potassium permanganate solution, all of the above. What is the correct answer to this question? Please try to answer, everyone. Yes, what is the means characteristics of your sulfur dioxide gas? Tell me fast if you know the answer, everyone. Okay. So here the correct answer is, let me tell you, all of the above. Okay. So your sulfur dioxide has a characteristic pungent smell of burning sulfur. Absolutely correct. If you use acidified potassium dichromate paper whose color is orange, and if you pass sulfur dioxide gas through it, the color of the paper will turn to green from orange, and then it can decolorize your acidified potassium permanganate solution, which is originally purple or pink in color. So it will be decolorizing your potassium permanganate solution also. Means all of the above options are absolutely correct, which is telling you the features of your sulfur dioxide gas. These are very very important questions. Okay, बहुत important है भैया. So please try to understand everything. Now, choose the air pollutant which is non-acidic in nature. Which one of the air pollutant is non-acidic in nature? Everyone, please try to answer. What is the correct answer over here? Okay. So let me give you the answer for this. So correct answer is ozone. Ozone is the air pollutant which is non-acidic. Which ozone is acting as a pollutant? So ozone, which is your ground, which is formed at ground level. Ground level ozone is a pollutant. Clear? Now let me tell you some of the characteristics of ozone. So ozone is having the molecular formula of O3. Okay. It is a light bluish gas. Clear? Which is generally found in the upper layer of the atmosphere, that is in the stratosphere, and its main function is to absorb your maximum ultraviolet radiation which is coming from the sun. And how your ozone is formed? When your oxygen is reacting with ultraviolet rays, it dissociates to give you atomic oxygen, and this atomic oxygen will again combine with your oxygen in the atmosphere to give out your ozone. Okay, it will again combine with the atmospheric oxygen to give ozone. Clear? Hello Palak. Okay, Palak, I am taking your name. So hello Palak, welcome to the session. Yes, I have taken your name, Palak. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? So this is the way your ozone is produced, and ozone absorbs all the ultraviolet radiations of the means it is coming, which is coming from your sun, and hence protects us from the harmful ultraviolet radiation of the sun. Clear? Okay. Chalo. Let's try to answer next question. Choose the odd one out. You have to choose the odd one out. HCl, H2CO3, HNO3 or H2SO4. Which one is the odd one out? Please try to answer, everyone. Which one is the odd one out? Please try to answer, everyone. Thank you so much, Palak. Chalo. Please try to answer. Which is the odd one out? Okay. So let me tell you, the correct answer is yes. Okay, very good, Vishal. No, Palak, it's not A. No, Palak, no. So no, it's not A. Okay, it's option number B. इसमें आपका ऑड वन आउट है योर कार्बोनिक एसिड. ओके, कार्बोनिक एसिड इज द ऑड वन आउट. क्यों ये ऑड वन है? व्हाई इट इज ऑड वन? बिकॉज योर कार्बोनिक एसिड इज अ वेरी वीक एसिड and rest all acids which are there in the option, that is your HCl, HNO3 and H2SO4, all these are strong acids. Okay, ये सभी क्या है आपके? They are very strong acids. So that's why this is the odd one out. Option number B is the correct answer. Clear? Let's try to answer next question. On adding water to sodium, the solution formed is neutral, alkaline, acidic or amphoteric in nature. What type of solution you will get when you add water to sodium? Yes, everyone, please try to answer it. Okay. So all of you, please try to answer it. What is the correct answer? Yes, of course, Vishal, absolutely correct. Yes, Palak, very good. Absolutely correct. This is alkaline. Okay. So your sodium, when it reacts with water, it produces sodium hydroxide and your hydrogen gas. So this is an alkali. Okay, this is an alkali. So the solution is of course your alkaline in nature. Clear? And what is amphoteric? Amphoteric means which reacts with your, which shows acidic as well as basic properties. Okay, so any compound showing the acidic as well as basic properties are known as your amphoteric oxides. Clear? Is it clear, everyone? Please let me know. Okay. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Next question. This is from a study of gas laws. So according to Boyle's law, as the pressure increases, the volume will increase, decrease, remains the same, or first increases and then decreases. Tell me fast. Tell me fast. What is according to Boyle's law? When your pressure is increasing, what will happen to your volume? Please try to answer it, everyone, and keep liking the classes and subscribing to the channel so that you do not miss any class from us. Okay? Chalo. Let me answer this question for you. So this will decrease. As you all know, according to Boyle's law, your pressure is inversely proportional to volume. So if you increase the pressure, your volume will decrease. Next question. In this element, you can see over here, your 11 number is representing which one? No, Palak, it's not D, it's B. Okay. So your 11 is representing what? Mass number, atomic number, number of neutrons, or none of the above. So what is represented by your 11 number in this particular symbol? So please try to answer this question, everyone. Yes. Okay, Palak, very good. Okay, no, not very good. Okay, option number A, you are telling not very good because it's the wrong answer. So it's option number B. Here you can see sodium has been written 11 and 23. So 11 is the atomic number over here. Okay, and your 23 is the atomic mass. Clear? So your sodium's atomic number is 11 and atomic mass is 23. I hope it is clear. And this is your 11 is the number of, you can say, protons and protons, or you can say number of electrons. Okay, Siddharth, please explain Neal-Bohr model. Okay, so you want me to explain Neal-Bohr model? Okay. See, Neal-Bohr gave his model just to overcome the drawbacks of your Rutherford model. Okay. So let me take you to the black screen for that. So Niels Bohr gave his model just to overcome the drawbacks of Rutherford model, because Rutherford's model cannot explain the stability of the atom. Okay, why atoms are so stable. So your Niels Bohr told in his atomic models, the postulates of Niels Bohr was, okay, so he told that your electrons are revolving around the nucleus in a fixed orbits. Fixed orbits, those are known as your energy shells. Yes, so those are known as your energy shells, in which your electrons are revolving around the nucleus, and electron will also have that much energy so that they can stay in that energy shell. Okay, and the amount of energy that electron is having is fixed always, and while revolving around the nucleus, the electrons do not loses its energy. Is it clear? This is the first postulate of your Niels Bohr's atomic model, that your electrons are revolving continuously, okay, are revolving continuously in fixed orbit known as energy shells. Okay, so every orbit has a fixed amount of energy, and for every electron, yes, just let me explain this first, Palak, then I will then I will answer your doubt. Okay, so electrons are revolving in the fixed orbit known as energy shell, and the electrons need to have that much energy to stay in that shell. Okay, and your electrons do not lose any energy. Okay, they do not lose energy while revolving in a particular orbit. Okay, when they are revolving in a particular orbit, they do not loses any amount of energy. Clear, everyone? Now, if any electron is losing energy or gaining energy in the form of like photons and all, then the electron will either jump to the higher orbit or it will come back to the lower orbit. For example, let's say we have an electron in the second shell. Okay, so if this electron is gaining energy, okay, this electron is gaining energy, तो अगर इसने energy gain कर लिया, so it cannot stay in the second shell. Clear? Because इसका energy बढ़ गया है ना. The minimum amount of energy that is required to stay in the second shell is not means it is not there in the electron now, because its energy has increased. इसने energy gain किया, इसकी energy बढ़ गई, अब ये second shell में नहीं रहेगा. ये क्या करेगा? ये jump करेगा अपने higher orbits में, जिसके मुताबिक जिसके इक्वल इसके पास एनर्जी है. जैसे अगर आप मान लो अभी आप 10,000 देके कोई रेंट वाले घर में रह रहे हो, ओके, एंड योर सडनली इनकम इंक्रीजेस, योर इनकम इंक्रीजेस टू लाइक 25,000. Now you are capable of giving the rent of 25,000. Why will you stay in the house of 15,000? You will not. You will change your house and move on to next, means beautiful house, or you can say bigger house whose rent is 25,000. Similar thing is happening here. अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन एनर्जी गेन करता है तो वो अपने ऑर्बिट को छोड़ के हायर ऑर्बिट्स में जंप कर जाएगा. ओके, एंड अगर मान लेते हैं कि ये इलेक्ट्रॉन एनर्जी लूज करता है, ओके, अब इसने अपनी एनर्जी लूज कर दी, तो अब इसके पास एनर्जी कम हो गई, तो ये क्या करेगा? अपने लोअर ऑर्बिट में जंप कर जाएगा. क्लियर? सो ये एनर्जी का लॉस या गेन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फोटॉन्स होता है हमेशा. कभी भी ड्यूरिंग रिवोल्यूशन ऐसे रैंडमली कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉन कंटिन्यूअसली एनर्जी लॉस या गेन नहीं कर सकता. ओके, दिस इज द सेकंड पोस्टुलेट ऑफ योर नील बोर. क्लियर? एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर why your electrons are not falling in the nucleus. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के ऊपर न्यूक्लियस का अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स हमेशा काम कर रहा है. देन ऑल्सो इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है सो न्यूक्लियस में गिरता नहीं है. ऐसा क्यों होता है? बिकॉज a centrifugal force is generated. Okay, centrifugal force generate होता है due to the revolution of electron, which is equal to the attractive force of nucleus. Okay, which is equal to the attractive force of nucleus, due to which your electrons do not fall inside the nucleus. अगर electrons revolve करना बंद कर दे तो electrons nucleus में गिर जाएगा and your atom will collapse. Okay, but your atom is not collapsing. The reason for that is your centrifugal force that is developed due to the revolution of electron is equal to the attractive force of nucleus, which is keeping the electron in its orbit. Clear? And Niels Bohr named his energy shells as K, L, M, N, and he also told that how many electrons can stay in each shell with the help of BUD. Okay. So this was all about your Niels Bohr's atomic model, and this model could means explain the stability of atom, which was not explained by your Rutherford's model. Clear, Siddharth? Are you there in the class? Is it clear to you? The Niels Bohr atomic model is clear? Tell me fast. Okay. So I hope it is clear to you. नहीं पलक, ओनली के एल एम शेल नहीं होते हैं, उससे ज्यादा भी हो सकते हैं. के एल एम एन ओ पी क्यू आर, you can have multiple shells. Like in 7th period, if you see in 7th period, you have 7 shells. Yes, so 7 shells hai. K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Okay, and your like this till Q we have. So you can have more shells also. Clear? Okay. So just for means convenience, just for making your studies simple, लिखा हुआ रहता है कि KLMN 4 shells के बारे में लिखा हुआ रहता है, but you can have more than that also. Okay? Okay. Next doubt was of Palak. Ma'am, what is valence electron? Palak, valence electron is nothing but your electrons which reside in the outermost shell of any atom. Okay. For example, if let's say we take an example of aluminium. Aluminium has 13 electrons. So 13 electrons अगर aluminium के पास है, so in the first shell it will have 2 electrons. In the second shell it will have 8 electrons. And in the third shell it has 3 electrons. जो कि उसका outermost shell है. ये इसका क्या है? सबसे बाहरी shell है, सबसे outermost shell है. So outermost shell में जो electrons होते हैं, those electrons are known as valence shell electrons. Valence shell electrons or outermost shell electrons. Clear? Is it clear, everyone? Please let me know. Yeah, 3 valence electrons. Okay. So I hope it is clear to everyone. Anybody is having any more doubts? Niels Bohr's atomic model is clear. Siddharth, Palak, your valence electron is clear. Tell me fast, Siddharth, is your doubt clear related to Niels Bohr's atomic model? Okay, Palak. Okay, very good. Chalo. So I hope everyone's doubt is cleared. Palak's doubt is also cleared and Siddharth's doubt is also cleared. Yes, Siddharth, there is a difference between your electrovalency and covalency. Okay. There is a difference between your electrovalency and covalency. Let me tell you the difference. So the only difference is that electrovalency is the number of electrons gained or lost by any atom to complete its octet. Okay, just for example, in sodium chloride, your sodium is losing 1 electron, yeah, to achieve the noble gas configuration, and your chlorine is gaining that 1 electron to achieve the noble gas configuration. Then in this case, your electrovalency of sodium is also 1 and chlorine is also 1, because your sodium is losing 1 electron and chlorine is gaining that 1 electron. Clear? And covalency is the number of electrons shared mutually. Okay. Is it clear, Siddharth? Just let me know. Okay. Yes, Palak, I am coming to your doubt. I will explain you what is octet. So, tell me fast, is it clear covalency? Yeah. So, covalency is basically the number of electrons, you can say, or you can say the number of bonds, because the shared number of electrons will form bonds ultimately. So, basically your covalency is the number of bonds any atom will form within a molecule. Okay. You can say it should be a number of bonds also, because like for example, if you share one pair of electron, your single covalent bond is formed over here. Yes or no? That means your covalency in terms of electrons is 2 and your in terms of bond is this 1, because by sharing one pair of electron you can form only one single bond. Yes or no? So okay. So covalency is the number of, you can say, okay. So covalency is the number of covalent bonds. Okay, it is the number of covalent bonds that an atom can form. Okay, so covalency is the number of covalent bonds that an atom can form. Okay, clear, Siddharth? Please let me know once. Ma'am, an element has same electrovalency. Okay. So if I ask you like what is the covalency of your fluorine, can you answer that? What is the covalency of fluorine? Can you answer that? Yes. So covalency can be termed as your number of covalent bonds also, or it can be termed as the number of electrons that an atom share with other electrons to acquire the stable electronic configuration as that of your noble gases. Okay. So like for example, covalency of fluorine, if I ask you, so like fluorine can form one covalent bond, or you can say it can share one electron to form a covalent bond. That means the covalency of fluorine is 1. Okay, covalency of fluorine is 1. Clear? And yes, your covalency and electrovalency can be same for any element. Like for example, the covalency of fluorine is 1 and your electrovalency of fluorine is also 1. Because your fluorine can gain a maximum 1 electron only to achieve its noble gas configuration. Clear? Siddharth, are you there in the class? Okay. Yes, okay, Palak, I will ask more. So, is it clear to you, Siddharth? Please let me know. Okay. Okay, Siddharth. So, as you asked me that can an element has similar electrovalency and covalency? Yes, of course. Fluorine has your electrovalency as 1, covalency as 1. Chlorine also has an electrovalency of 1 and covalency of 1. Yeah. So, your element can have similar electrovalency as well as covalency. Okay. But the numerical value is same. But the sense, the meaning is not same. ठीक है, मीनिंग सेम नहीं होता है. इलेक्ट्रोवैलेंसी का मतलब है कंप्लीटली लॉस कर दिया इलेक्ट्रॉन को या कंप्लीटली गेन कर दिया. कोवलेंसी का मतलब होता है म्यूचुअल शेयरिंग किया, ठीक है, टू फॉर्म द कोवलेंट बॉन्ड. सो मीनिंग इज नॉट सेम, ओनली द न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू कैन बी सेम. क्लियर? ओके पीयूष. ओके. यस पीयूष, सेशन इज अबाउट टू एंड. पीयूष, मैंने आप लिंक जो है सो टेलीग्राम चैनल पे शेयर कर दिया था. ओके. ओके, नाउ पलक इज आस्किंग व्हाट इज ऑक्टेट. ऑक्टेट इज पलक सी. ऑक्टेट मीन्स एनी एटम. ओके, ऑक्टेट मीन्स एनी एटम requires to have 8 electrons in its outermost orbit. ठीक है, आउटर मोस्ट ऑर्बिट में किसी भी एटम का मैक्सिमम 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होने चाहिए, देन ओनली दैट एटम विल बी स्टेबल. क्लियर? सो दैट इज योर ऑक्टेट. क्लियर? इट्स ओके पीयूष, यू कैन वॉच द रिकॉर्डेड सेशन. ओके, डोंट क्राई. यस, डोंट क्राई पीयूष. नेक्स्ट सेशन आपका यू विल हैव टुमारो. कल होगा नेक्स्ट सेशन. ओके. ओके. So is it clear everyone? किसी को कोई और डाउट? Anyone having any more doubts? Tell me first. Okay. Clear? जल्दी से पूछ लो. If anyone is having any more doubts, anyone, tell me first. Okay, Palak, chalo. So let's come back to the topic now. I hope no one is having any doubt. Okay. So this was all for today's. कल किस टॉपिक पे होगा? पीयूष, फॉर दैट आई वुड हैव टू लुक एट द सेशंस नाउ. जो सेशन मैंने शेड्यूल किया है वो सेशंस मुझे देखने पड़ेंगे. ओके, सो आई विल शेयर द टॉपिक विथ यू इन द टेलीग्राम चैनल. ओके, टेलीग्राम चैनल पे आई थिंक यू आर देयर. Yes or no? Just let me know once. Piyush, are you there in the Telegram channel? I will share you the timing of the session also and the topic of the session also. Okay? Okay. So here you can see Unacademy Prodigy test is back. So we have your Unacademy Prodigy test on 27th of Feb. Okay. Okay, Palak. ओके, सो 27 को अनअकैडमी प्रोडजी टेस्ट है. इसको मिस बिल्कुल भी नहीं करना है. यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट दिस टेस्ट. ओके, इट विल स्टार्ट एट 12 PM एंड ऑन 1 PM. You need to enroll yourself if you haven't enrolled till now, and do use my code Manisha Live to enroll yourself. Okay, all of you. So these are the ongoing batches for your class 9 champions batch in English and your Udan batch in Hindi. You can join these batches, and from March onwards also we are having new batches where you can join the batches and can accelerate your preparations for not only your 9th class exam but also your every exam that is yet to come in your way. Okay, and you can prepare yourself with Unacademy. So I hope code is Manisha Live. Palak, the code is Manisha Live. Okay, Manisha Live. My name is Manisha and Live, Live. This is the code you have to use to enroll yourself for this test. This is absolutely for free. You don't have to pay anything. Also, you can download the Unacademy app, use my code Manisha Live, and you can get access to all my special classes. Okay? Okay. So, I hope the session was informative as well as interesting for you and you got all your doubts solved. So thank you everyone for watching the session, and also do not forget to subscribe to the session if you really liking it. Okay, and share it with your friends as much as you can. Let's meet tomorrow. Okay, so bye everyone. Thank you and have a nice day. Okay.